everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add your location to your WhatsApp status. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. Open your WhatsApp and head over to your status. You can do this by tapping on the status bar. Make sure it captures the vibe of the moment. Now, here comes the fun part. Tap on the emoji icon at the top of the screen. Then, look for the location button among the emoji options. It usually appears as a tiny pin on the map. So once you find it, give it a tap. Time to let your friends know where the action is. Select the location you want to share or where you currently find yourself. WhatsApp makes it super simple. You've chosen your location now and hit that post button. Your status, now adorned with the perfect location, is ready to go. And there you have it. You've successfully added your location to your WhatsApp status. It's a fantastic way to keep your friends in the loop about your adventures. So, feel free to get creative with it and share the excitement of your surroundings. That's what WhatsApp is all about, connecting through moments. So, go ahead, give it a try, and let your status speak volume. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Till next time, bye-bye.